This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi everyone, I'm Megan and I'm a SnapEd nutrition educator here in the Hudson Valley. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious no-bake granola bars. I love eating these no-bake granola bars because they're a balanced snack that could be made with my ultimate favorite food, peanut butter. Not only is peanut butter tasty, but it's also a great source of protein and high in healthy fat. These bars are a balanced snack or breakfast because they include 3 out of the 5 food groups from my plate. They contain a nut butter and sunflower seeds, which serve as our protein on the my plate, oats, which is a whole grain found in the grain group, and dried fruit is part of the fruit group. This recipe contains 1/2 cup of nut or seed butter, again I chose peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup of oats. If you'd like, you can throw in an optional 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds, as I did, and or 1 tablespoon of your favorite dried fruit. Always be sure to wash your hands with warm soapy water for at least 20 seconds. Make sure to use clean utensils and wash your surface or countertop where you will be preparing your food. For our first step, we will measure out all of the ingredients. Our first ingredient is 1 cup of oats. Oats are not only a whole grain, but they are an inexpensive option. Add them to your meals to help make half your grains whole. Are you allergic to peanut butter? Consider using an alternative for peanut butter in this recipe, such as soy, cashew, almond, or sunflower butter. If you don't have a nut butter on hand, or if you have an allergy, you can also consider soaking dates to create a paste. Our next ingredient is honey. I will measure out 2 teaspoons. This gives us a little bit of sweetness while keeping the added sugar low. Homemade granola bars are a healthier choice than store-bought cereal bars because you can reduce your added sugar. Next, I'll add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This gives us a slight bit of sweet taste without adding any added sugar. To keep the cost low, consider purchasing spices like cinnamon at your local dollar store. Now we will combine all of the ingredients together except for the optional last ingredients. You can choose to add any seeds or dried fruit you'd like. Today I'm going to add sunflower seeds to my bars. Adding dried fruit at this step is also a good way to help make half your plate fruits and vegetables. Are you wondering what you can do with your leftover oats? Consider adding them to your favorite healthy recipe, like pancakes, muffins, or cookies. Now I'm going to press all of the ingredients into my container. However, thankfully for this recipe, there's no need to turn on your oven. From here, I'm going to place the dish in the refrigerator for an hour to allow the mixture to harden a bit. Alright, now that the hour is up, I'm going to remove the bars from the fridge. The bars are now fairly firm and perfect to cut into slices. They will stay fresh in an airtight container in your refrigerator for about 1 week. Now for our fun part, we're going to give our bars a try. Those taste really great. The no-bake granola bars make a great breakfast or snack choice to power you throughout your day without all the added sugars to weigh you down. You can personalize these bars too with the addition of whatever nut butter, seeds, and or dried fruit you like. With only 10 minutes of prep time, you'll have a delicious bar in minutes that can last for days in your fridge. Thank you so much for watching this short video today. I hope that you learned a few ways to save time, save money, and eat healthy. However you choose to make these no-bake granola bars, I hope that you find them as good as I do. Remember that small changes can make a big difference. For more recipes like this one, check out snapedny.org and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SnapEd New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SnapEd can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material is funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.